Hi, today we're going to talk about how to make an edible DNA helix. So first of all, we're going to talk about what is DNA. So DNA to our body is like a cookbook. I'm sure you've seen your grandmother, maybe your mom or your dad, get a cookbook out and it gives them an idea of, okay, what do I need to make something? So here's a caramel apple pizza. All right, and it's telling me that I'm going to need 2 apples, a half a cup of sugar, and that's exactly what a DNA helix is. It's telling the body, this is what you need to make this, okay? So first, what I use, and you might use some different, but I use the Twizzlers, and then you can use different things. You can use gumdrops, but I like the Skittle gummies because they're really soft and the toothpick goes through it. So this is what they look like. And then you're going to need some toothpicks and then 4 markers, okay? And we're using the marker to make our key. So in the DNA helix, A always goes with T. And we remember this by saying an apple goes on a tree. And so go ahead and separate whatever you're using, if it's gumdrops, but go ahead and separate it by the color and make us a little key. So we're going to go ahead and I have the same color marker and I wrote a T there and then I've got my A. And then C always goes with G, okay? And we remember this by saying cars go in the garage. So go ahead if you need to pause this and separate out your gumdrops or your Skittles or whatever you're going to use so that you have a key. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our 2 Twizzlers and we're going to use 4 toothpicks. All right, so go ahead and we're going to match them up. So A, which is red, is going to go with T, which is green. Just like that, we're going to push it through and have a little bit stick out on the sides so that it sticks on in the Twizzler because this is our helix. Just like that. So we got A and T together. Now we got to do C and G. So our C is kind of a turquoise color and the G is purple. Just like that. So we're going to keep on going down. So we've got 2. We're going to go again, and now we do A, T again, and then C and G. And our finished helix would look like this. So it's very important that we memorize that A goes with T and C goes with G, because if you change that sequence, that's when we see mutations. And I don't know if you've ever seen this before, but a white skunk is an actual mutation. So the sequence of DNA, something was off. Instead of it saying AT, it might have said A and G and then C and G. So any kind of difference in the sequence is when you would see mutations. All right, thanks so much for joining me. Bye.